To sign up for your drives, you must be allowed access to schedule an appointment on your instructor's Google Calendar. You should have done this by entering your Skyview student email address during the class you took. If you have not done this, email your instructor and request access. Go to the Skyview Driver Education website and select Scheduled Drives. There is information on this page that you need to read about your drives. There are also step-by-step instructions on how to schedule your drives on this page. Please read. It is helpful information so you can schedule correctly. If you don't schedule correctly, you are in jeopardy of not getting your license when you desire. At the bottom of the page, you will find the instructor's calendars. Select the instructor that you are assigned to drive with. If you are doing this on a small device like your phone or an iPad, be sure to select desktop version. Once in your instructor's calendar, you will be able to see the days that they plan on driving. This is the month view, and this is the weekly view. In the weekly view, select one of the drives on the calendar. It will open up a dialog box with instructions. Please read them. Then select Go to Appointment page for this calendar. A weekly view of your instructor's drives will display. If there are spaces to sign up for, they will display in a time slot as Drive. If you are absolutely certain that you can drive that date and time, then select the drive. Your name will show up in the What box. If it doesn't, you need to type your first and last name in. You will need to go back and repeat these steps 3 more times so that you are scheduled for a total of 4 drives. Remember, you will be driving on most of your drives with 2 other students, so you will be driving for 3 hours each time. On the day of each of your drives, you will be sent a reminder in your email. Good luck!